at first, and now there's a second scoop of stuff. Wow, it's a lot. This is why I need a pickup truck in Oregon. All right, in turtle habitat, we've got Stevie here. Say hi, Stevie.
Hi. So,
Sergio and
normally you
Bill.
level this out with a level.
Gonna level it out. Okay.
There's road base down. A lot of road base.
A lot of road
Probably
base.
half a dozen wheelbarrows of road base. And then on top of this is a couple of wheelbarrows of decomposed granite because it's beautiful and it's finer, so we can get it. Sergio made this so it's completely level. So the finished product is the water will be, of course, the water's always level, and it'll look just fabulous. You don't want a crooked fountain.
Okay. The water level actually has to be a couple inches below so the turtles don't crawl out.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So we're going to put this seam, which is unattractive. We'll put it in the back.
Okay. Got the label off.
This is it's 4 foot diameter.
Yeah. 50 inches, 51 inches.
What did it say? So that's more than you even once. You want more in?
We can come a little
Just go a
bit
little
more. Like that. That's good.
Okay. Now we're going to check the level. Sergio, to see
It
if
looks like it's tilting for some reason to me. I don't know.
the level will.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's perfect.
It's pretty good. Just a little bit. Just a minute.
Okay.
Sometimes these things, see this how high here,
Uh-huh.
how low.
Yeah.
This is.
So this edge is not completely level because
Oh, right.
they roll this stuff
Yeah.
and then they tack weld it in the back.
Oh, yeah. It's not level there. Uh-huh.
It's a lot.
Right.
And then we're going to take this off.
There's the label off. Okay, it just peels off. Great.
That's about where Tom wanted it, right?
Yeah. I had to build up this back edge.
I'm compact. I can
It could fit in there
soak in there just fine.
with the turtles.
Yeah, just keep doing this.
I wish you didn't tell you about the cascading waterfalls.
Right.
You didn't tell you about that?
Yeah, no, I'm waiting.
Okay, so you're packing it underneath there to make it level. Okay.
Being supervised by Raphael.
Getting anxious to get in a new habitat.
Dealing with here
Yes.
is that the ground underneath has been settling. So over time, this you can expect for this to settle a little bit, and we'll come
Okay,
back.
Okay.
And then or else we'll have Portia's boyfriend do it, Dave. No, not Dave.
Dan.
Dan, I got the first letter right. This is important. You have to get this.
Yeah. Look at that. That butterfly's just hanging out right here. Isn't that cool?
Is she drinking?
Yeah.
Can you see her proboscis?
Actually, yeah, she is. She's
So that's
drinking the
why she's
water.
there.
And that's very cool.
You want it level.
Oh, level.
So teach a problema, mira. We'll see. It's underwater. I'm worried about this. This is level.
Yeah, that's great. Let's put it against the edge, right? There's more room in front.
You want to make it like square with the house?
Yeah,
You can
that's
face
a good
Put it
idea.
out that way.
Square with the house is good because when you come in, you see it from an angle. And
Okay,
then
so the pump is the fountain.
the pump is over there behind Stevie.
No, okay.
And then we need to thread it through this new thing, right? So here's the pump.
She likes it with the pump going through and coming out this way. This is very cool, this rusty thing.
It is cool. I made those for my sculptures.
It'd be like a bacteria starter.
Right, a bacteria started with this old sand, and then also it won't reflect the light so much, so it'll keep it cooler, right?
It's really good for dark sourdough bread as well. As a starter?
As a starter.
The black pools are in fashion now. I think.
Black starter in
So
fashion.
that's what you're.
You know, this really doesn't smell too bad.
No, it's good.
A little bad, not too
It's
much bad.
good.
So when the water comes in here, it's gonna splash.
Expert with fountains and aesthetics, Bill, so I defer to you. There's some more water, Sergio.
Okay.
So is this gonna be under the water?
Yes. That's
How
going to
mu-
be
how much under the
submerged
water?
under the water. All right, so we just dumped the water from those buckets in here. And
You ready for the fish?
here's the fish and the turtles. You're going to dump the turtles out? Place them in. Let's place the turtles in by hand.
Here, Bush wants to pull the turtle out.
Yeah.
Here, I'll get it.
Okay.
Ah!
It didn't hurt you. No, they're not going to hurt you. That's a, oh my God, just put him in gently.
Oh, gently?
Yeah,
Be nice.
be nice. That's Raffaella. Hello, Raffaella.
It's a
The
lady?
other one was Fernwood. There we go. All right, now.
We're gonna get a lot of.
Oh man, all those fish. Okay. Okay, so now we can fill it up with regular water. Because that's a lot of good seasoned water. Yeah, I got it this way. That is very cool. Okay, now filling up the water.
Me. Possible. I need to cut a little bit here. Possible. Maybe, I don't know. Because I want to put something like this right here.
Right here, so then you
Next to
can take
here.
it out here.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Is this our wheelbarrow? No.
Nope, that stays here.
You're not
Going. Thank you. This was so awesome. Let me give you a hug. Hey, thank you. Stevie, thank you. Great, you guys are
Okay, so-
awesome. Here is the new turtle habitat. It's a smaller tank, unfortunately, but they're in there. The water will be clearing up soon. There's Raffaella. And there's Fernwood. Okay, guys. Oops. Alright, so I have organic matter here on top of the rocks because this is a water hole for all the bees. So this is what it looks like now. And little sitting area here. Yeah. So, that's nice.